Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DCAing Kid. So in today's video, it's literally going to be a quick one. I'm just going to show you guys some of the tokens that I'm buying today. The market is pretty much dead. I mean, it's just really slow and boring at the moment. Bitcoin's stuck below that 30k, ETH stuck below 1.9k, and you can see here, you know, the market as a whole has only moved by 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Not really much going on. I mean, some sectors are hot. Telegram bots are hot. Animal racing, I've never even heard of that, to be honest, but it seems like a hot sector right now. DCA as well. However, I'm not going to really touch on these because I don't really know too much about like the Telegram bots at the moment. I haven't really done any research on them, although I have seen them trending over the past few days. So guys, right, just before I show you some of the tokens that I'm DCAing into today, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. We can see we are currently trading at 54, which is neutral. So yesterday was 52, also neutral. Last week there was a bit of greed, and last month there was a fair amount of greed at 65. So currently, you know, from last month we've kind of reset back to that neutral position. There's been some kind of sell-offs, and yeah, the market has just been slow and steady at the moment. But what this means, guys, it's a good opportunity to obviously DCA into some great projects out there and really just accumulate and fill your bags. So I'll let you know what projects I'm looking at today. So I'm literally DCAing today, and the way I'm looking at this is, what I normally do is just filter by last 7 days. I'm only looking at top 100 projects at the moment, and what I like to do in terms of when I buy is just see what's what's taken a bit of a hit in the last 7 days. So Solana is a project that I believe in, and you know, they've got a purely magnificent blockchain, works, you know, able to handle a lot of volume, and pretty much does everything that a blockchain needs to do. So this is a long-term play for me. Solana currently at $24, down 13% in the last 7 days. So for me, you know, this is a project that I will be DCAing into. And again, guys, just want to reiterate, only looking at the top 100 because, you know, I'm kind of playing it a little bit safe with just the top 100 tokens as of today. There are, you know, some DCAing plays that I'll do as well, but today I'm just really focusing on kind of top 100 projects that have good fundamentals, look solid, look sharp, and you know, for me is a fairly good buying opportunity. So Solana obviously on the list, down 13% in the last 7 days, and also down 4% in the last 24 hours. So for me, pretty good buy. I'll be buying that. And some of the other tokens that I'm looking at, or some of the other projects. So Multiverse, eGold, you know, I'm pretty bullish on eGold. If we take a look at the you know, the tokenomics and so on. So currently $34, trading at in terms of the market cap, just under a billion, so 876 mil. Total supply, you can see 25 mil. Circulating supply is 25 mil as well. And yeah, guys, you know, this is a project that I'm pretty bullish on. So I know they've got a lot going on. They've got like a launch pad. They've got a DEX as well. They're in the DeFi space. They've got some NFTs as well. And yeah, overall, you know, they've got some really good partnerships out there, and continue to grow their ecosystem. So if we take a look at the all-time high, currently 94% off the all-time high, which is $545. And in my opinion, you know, they'll get back to that that region. So this for me is a pretty good buy. And as I was saying, guys, because I'm DCAing and just kind of bagging up on projects that I'm already invested in as well, you know, Multiverse, eGold is a pretty good buy for me as of today. So yeah, that's another token that I'll be, or project that I'll be investing in today. And if I just filter that again by 7 days, just go by the same filters that I was applying. So Solana, eGold, GMX is obviously a good buy as well. However, I'm not really buying GMX today, but it is a good buy. You know, if you do want to fill your bags on GMX, it's down 8.8% in the last 7 days. So pretty good opportunity to get into that. Aave is a you know, a strong DeFi player, and I've got a fairly decent size bag, or fairly decent sized portfolio of Aave already. So down 8.1% in the last 7 days, and not really moved much in the last 24 hours or 1 hour. So Aave is another project that I'll be accumulating today. Render as well, down 7.1% in the last 7 days, below the $2 again. This has really been hit and miss between that $2 mark. So trading at $1.86, pretty good buying opportunity in my perspective, from my point of view. So yeah, obviously rendering the whole metaverse, a really strong buy for me. Great potential for a long-term play. So looking to load up on render at these prices as well. And just one more, guys, one more coin, one more project that I'll give you that I'm literally buying today is Mina Protocol. So Mina Protocol down 4% in the last 7 days, hasn't really moved much in the last 24 hours or the last hour, and trading at 45 cents. So Mina Protocol, is runs off that ZK narrative, and also is designed to be the lightest blockchain out there. So trading at 45 cents for me, guys, this is a steal. You can see here all-time high for this was $9.09, and we're currently 95% off that value. So for me, in my perspective, this is a decent buy, and I'll be accumulating my bags a little bit more on Mina as well. So guys, that's just a few projects there, a few projects that I'm literally buying today, that I'm DCAing into. And obviously, do your own research. If you believe in certain projects that you have faith in for the longer term, then obviously look to accumulate, and maybe you can follow the same strategy that I've just done here. I normally look at the last 7 days and just see, if we've got reds in the 7 days, maybe some reds in the 24 hours as well, then for me that's a pretty decent retracement, and yeah, a pretty decent time to just DCA a little bit more into those projects that you want to get into for the longer term. And guys, when you're doing your research as well, you don't need to limit yourself to the top 100 tokens, although I have in this instance for today. You can go down and filter down on the next batch of 100 tokens. So you can look in the top 200 tokens here, apply the same logic again. So what's down in the last 7 days? Let's see. So 1 inch is down a fair amount, 20% 21%. You got some good projects in the top 200 as well. So definitely worth taking a look and seeing if some of these projects might be some long-term plays for you. Singularity Net as well, a project that I'm bullish on from an AI perspective, down 7.1%, which looks like a pretty decent retracement in price, trading at 23 cents. So pretty decent buy as well for that. But obviously, as I said, guys, today I was just focusing and looking to DCA in the top 100. So yeah, let me know what you think of that kind of quick strategy of just DCAing into some of those projects that you want to accumulate, fill your bags on, especially when the market is literally moving sideways. So good opportunity, good buying opportunity from my perspective. Let me know what you think. Hit me up in the comments below. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace out.